Hi everyone, I'm back with a new sketch of Goku, so let's start drawing. I'm really gonna do it through an easy way, so what you have to do is to grab your sketchbook and pencil and start drawing with me. But first, type the name of the character you want me to draw next and I will definitely do that. Like the video and make comment about it if you really thought that was easy in the end of the video. One eye is about to done and I'm going to draw the next eye now. I'm drawing these lines to the other eye so that the both eyes will look same and they will not differ in anything. Now let's draw a straight line down there to locate the nose and lips so that they would be in the center of the face and will not look weird. So you have to draw all of these things with a little gap each time and you're done. For the jawline, mark the chin and two lines beside both eyes and it will become easy to draw a perfect jawline like I did. And to all of you who are still watching, I'm really thankful to all of you. Like the video, and I have a good news to tell to all of my subscribers and the non-subscribers who are still watching my video. I hope you will be my subscribers in the end of the video, so let me tell the good news. Yesterday it was my high school result and I scored highest in my class and I was happy. I didn't score much better in the previous section, but I did it this time. And if you are happy with me, write congratulations in the comments and I will be happy. I may be sounding like an AI because I'm not so professional in recording audios, so don't mind. Let's do the shading with the same pencil, like color in the eyes and many other things needed to be shaded. Like now I'm using a 3B pencil to shade in the other things like this. You can do shading as much as you want, but I'm not doing much because it's basically a beginner tutorial, so I will be stopping right here, just a little bit more. Shading is done and now I'm gonna do a little of blending. Blending is not needed, but I'm still doing a little. And sketch is done. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Watch the left video if you want to try another sketch of Goku through an easy way.